Welcome. In today's lesson, we'll be looking at algebraic fractions. The two topics are multiplication of fractions and division of fractions. Now, as with ordinary arithmetic fractions, numerators can be multiplied together as can the denominator in order to form a single fraction. So for instance, a over b multiplied by c over d is multiplied across a times c, b times d equals ac over bd. In the next example, this is a more complicated one. Not so complicated once you understand, but it's not as simple as the first example. So we first need to expand this, like 3 multiplied by p multiplied by q, expand the numerators and the denominators out. Then we cancel the common numerator and the common denominators. So let's cancel those. Okay. Now the first factor that is going to be cancelled is p. Then q. Then we have another q in common. We also have r. And there is nothing else in common, so we just multiply as normal. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. Multiply the number first. S multiplied by s. And since s is multiplying twice, we just square that, s to the second power, over 2 multiplied by t. 2t. And that's basically how you multiply algebraic fractions. First expand, then cancel out, and then multiply as per normal to get your answer. Okay, moving on to division of fractions. Now, note that to divide by a fraction, you first need to invert it and then multiply. So, to invert, you basically upturn this fraction and then change the division sign to multiplication. And the same as you did for multiplying, you do the same for dividing. In this case, you expand it after you upturn this one, then we cancel out. Now you can see a is common, we see b is common, and we see y is common. So it will be equal to b x multiplied by x will be x squared and y, we have one y alone, so just y, over, we only have a, over a. So the answer is b x squared y over a. To recap, you upturn this fraction. To recap, we just upturn this fraction and expand, then cancel out to get your answer. This is the end of the video. Thank you for listening. Hope this was helpful.